Welcome everyone. I hope you're doing well today. This is Shari Carroll and I'm going to be using some Dina Wakley paints and mediums, and I'm going to create a project to add to my art journal. I have all my supplies in the description box below. Please check down there if you have any questions. And I'm starting off with some of her pouring medium products that just came out. I have the cups and the spoons, and the color paints that I'll be using are tangerine, turquoise, blush, and also lime. The pouring medium from Dina come in two different bottle sizes. There are 4 ounce and 8 ounce, and this is the 8 ounce. What pouring medium does is it thins out the paint so that you can do a liquid pour. So you'll want to use 3 parts of the pouring medium to 1 part of the paint. This is the measurement for Dina's paints since they are heavy body. So I'll start off with my cups and I'll add the pouring medium to each 4 of the cups, and then I can add my paints. I'll be eyeballing my measurements, but there are little measurement marks on the sides of each of the cups, so you can actually measure if you want. So I'll give a generous squirt into the center of that pouring medium, and then I can grab one of the spoons and stir that up completely. You can see how the color goes right into that pouring medium and you still get a really strong mixture of color. Continue that same process with all of your paint colors, and I will say that it is best to use new bottles of color. I did have a little bit of clogging with my lime and I had a few chunks, so mix it really well if your paints are a little bit older. I'll be doing my pour onto some Dina Wakley canvas board, and I'm using an acrylic block underneath just to set it up a little bit from my table. I also mixed up a little tub of some white paint, and I about doubled that so I have a little bit extra that I can spread out through the canvas board. I will be using some of Dina Wakley's Cell Creator in each of my colors. I won't be adding it to the white, so I want to add about 1 to 2 drops in each color. And use the spoon to stir that Cell Creator into each of your paints, and you're ready to go. So I'm going to speed this up and put it to some music for you, and I hope you enjoy.